дръж още.
Okay, it's 2 p.m. sharp, even 1 minute after 2 p.m. I think we should be live and everyone should be hearing us. Just to make sure everyone can hear us, you can give us a sign in the chat box, which is located in your right, I believe.
Yeah, I can hear you, George, yeah.
Great, okay. Thanks, Ivan. Okay, so welcome everyone. All of you know what topics we are going to be discussing today and what we are all about today in this conference. But I'm going to say just several introductory words. First of all, of course, welcome. And today we are going to be talking about, on the one hand, people, on the other hand, processes and technology. But our main focus is going to be on how we can do the alignment between those three. On the one hand, people, on the other hand, processes and alignment as a whole. And we are going to be talking about a software-specific software solution that can host such type of alignment between all the people and processes in one company, especially when it comes to the customer-facing processes of marketing, of sales, and of client services. And just using one quotation of Yamini Rangan, who is Chief Customer Officer at HubSpot, part of the executive team, and one of the first people, in fact, who joined HubSpot 15 years ago, she says, delightful customer experience starts with aligned customer systems. Very important thing, because nowadays everybody's talking about siloed teams, some discrepancies in data, and when you manage to align those systems, when you manage to connect them, you strive to you manage to really achieve this kind of alignment. This is one of the topics that we are going to cover today with the alignment, but the other topic that we are going to be talking about is growth, company growth and business growth as a whole. The conference is very much focused on HubSpot as an all-in-one solution, and HubSpot is mainly a business software. It's neither a marketing software nor sales or service software. It's a business software that can help, in fact, executives take very important decisions when it comes to decision making. And just have taken just several sentences from the mission statement of HubSpot, written by the two co-founders of Brian Halligan and Dharmesh. Basically, they say there is this notion that to grow a business you have to be ruthless. Everybody in the business world thinks about that. But they say we know a better way to grow. One where what's good for the bottom line is also good for customers. And basically what they say is that inbound and it being implemented in every part of the company, starting from marketing, but not finishing there, but implementing inbound in sales and customer service, and also in the company culture as a whole, would then create this kind of really growth that is healthy, that is scalable, and that is long-term growth. So without any further ado, I'm going to be presenting to you the agenda. But in fact, not me is going to be presenting the agenda, but just want to give the floor to one of the co-founders of Limacon, the manager of the conference today. In fact, Ivan is in the same building as me.
Yeah, George, so I'm just like coming to say hi because it's nice that we can be together today, but not everyone is in the same room, but just like
Hi, Ivan.
Welcome everyone. So it's really a pleasure to be with you today. I just want to say huge thanks to our partners from DepositFix who are hosting us today on this platform AirMeet, and of course United Partners, who is also will be speaking today with several people. But it is important to say that this event is actually for hosting a platform where we can communicate about the future of marketing and sales, and of course to have the place where we can present to you several great ideas about how you can use HubSpot for growing your business. Today we have a very tight agenda. Of course, I will urge everyone from you to participate with comments, and of course, there is the option if somebody wants to join the stage, then you can just raise your hand, and maybe on the Q&A session we can give you the floor and join us to speak on the conference. But as you know, we have a small opening session that is currently going on. After that, we're going to continue with two amazing people, of course, besides me and Georgi, that were joining the panel, where we want to address, of course, what is actually currently going on in the marketing and sales world, why we're talking about business automation at all, and of course, to address some of the ideas of the future, we're going to urge you to participate in this panel and, of course, express your opinion on how the marketing and sales world will going to change. After that,
we have a special keynote with a person from Dublin, from one of the offices of HubSpot. Jurate, she is going to be talking about, again, growth with HubSpot. In fact, grow better is one of the slogans of HubSpot. So her presentation is going to cover especially that. And of course, we have named our conference Business Automated because, you know, through automation, in fact, this is one of the approaches towards this growth that she will refer to. And then we'll be going to a very interesting and I would say intense panel, because we are going to have 60 minutes for 6 different people from 6 different industries and respectively 6 different companies who are going to present very short customer success stories or case studies with very unique, interesting use cases of how they have been using HubSpot in their own companies, which is going to be, I'm really looking forward to it. I really think this will be interesting. And then we are going to an international panel with international speakers, where we have people from Europe, from the United States, and from Asia. And there we are going to be talking about the HubSpot ecosystem, or this is the world of integrations, native integrations with HubSpot, because in fact they project that the HubSpot ecosystem, all the tools connected to HubSpot, is growing and is going to start growing even faster than HubSpot itself. Yeah. Then we are going to where, Ivan?
Yeah, we thought about, of course, we're going to speak about different use cases, but then we want to do a short deep dive into HubSpot world. That means we're going to show you some interesting tools and tactics of using HubSpot. This session will be also joined by an amazing person from Norway, Torstein, who will be speaking about account-based marketing, but that will be, of course, for everyone that is interested in seeing how HubSpot actually operates in a different environments.
Yeah. And then we are closing with kind of networking, virtual networking. We would urge each of you who will stay for the networking to take a glass of wine and just say cheers to everyone who will be a part of this session. So that's it. We have around 4 hours full of knowledge, interesting people from Bulgaria and around the world. And I think now it would be time to just start with the first session. And for this, we will need to go to our next session. In fact, I mean, you just need to click in your event landing page in order to really watch it. So see you there.
This session will just close, and then you can go on the agenda and join the next session. See you in a minute.
See you.